Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. We are doing just fine over here. I just wanted to hop on here quickly and share with you a fun DIY activity that I made for my 3-year-old today who is working on his letter recognition. And so I did this in less than 10 minutes, guys. It was super easy. As long as you have a ruler, a pencil, and some blank paper, you can easily do this at home. And basically what he's going to have to do using crayons or even a bingo dabber is find the uppercase and lowercase letters A and B. So that's all that I have for you all today. Thank you all so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, then please subscribe to my channel. And if you are already one of my subscribers, then please go ahead and share with someone you know who might enjoy the content that I post on this channel. As always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time.